this video, I'll explain you how to create logo design questionnaire. First, you need to click Add on Coffee Form and load from template. You can search logo design questionnaire. After you found it, just load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, question, and the settings too. After you refresh the page, click the Coffee Form and then get link, and then just click continue and choose your account. Click advance and then go to Coffee Form and just click allow. After you get the link, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. You can also custom the questions. For example, go to question type and then change into text, and for example I use the word your name like this, so it will show like this. It's very easy to use. Or maybe you can change into radio button, and for example I use question gender. Don't forget to fill the option too, like for example male or female. So in the form it will show like this. You can also delete any row that you don't want to show in the form, so it will disappear. And for the background color, you can change it easily like this. Also for the style of the title, you can edit it. For example, I delete the mark behavior, so it will stop. Thank you.